Hello, thank you for choosing Relax to Zero 3D. This video will walk you through how to operate your remote control. We want you to fully enjoy your massage experience and relax like royalty. Let's get accommodated with the layout of the remote control. In the center of the remote is where you'll find the direction dial. The center OK button allows you to make selections, while the up, down, left, right buttons allow you to move through the remote interface. The power button turns on and off the massage chair. The menu button will take you to the main menu option of the Relax to Zero 3D. Pressing the menu button takes you back to a previous menu, while pressing the menu button twice will always take you back to the main screen. The 3D massage button adjusts the intensity of the 3D rollers. There are 5 levels of intensity. The feet adjust, back adjust, and feet extend buttons make adjustments to your chair. The auto button is also a shortcut to directly open the menu for the automatic programs. Up, down, adjust buttons help you make adjustments in the manual mode. Hit the power button to turn on your massage chair. When you turn on your massage chair, the main menu will be displayed. The main menu choices are Auto, Manual, 3D Massage, Twist, Tapping Off, Airbag, Heat, Zero Gravity, and Settings. Hit the power button on your massage chair. The menu for the automatic programs will appear. You can also access the automatic programs by selecting the menu button. Use the direction dial to select the auto menu and press the OK button to select it. The Relax to Zero comes with 6 automatic programs: Recovery, Extend, Refresh, Relax, Upper Body, and Lower Body. Use the left, right, and up and down buttons on the direction dial to select the automatic program of your choice. For this example, we'll choose Recovery. You can also access the automatic programs by pressing the Auto button on the remote. Once the chair has scanned your body, you can cycle through the automatic programs by pressing the Auto button until you see the automatic program of your choice on the LED screen. To create your own customized massage experience, use the manual mode. Press the power button or the menu button if you are already currently in a massage mode. Scroll down to the manual option and select Manual. In the manual menu, there are 4 submenus: Mode, Part, Width, Speed, and Roller. In the Mode option, you can select your desired massage type. You can choose from kneading, tapping, knocking, shiatsu, sync, and rhythm. Rhythm mode will sync the movement of the massage roller to any audio playing through the massage chair via Bluetooth. Kneading has an additional submenu where you can select kneading up or kneading down. For this example, we'll choose kneading down. The part option is used to control the location of the massage rollers on your back. There are 3 options: whole, partial, and point massage. When you select a massage mode, the default option is whole. To use the partial mode, select the partial option once you feel the massage rollers in the desired spot on your back. To focus on a small area, use the partial mode by selecting the partial option. Use the up-down adjust buttons to adjust the roller's location. You can see the location of the rollers by looking at the green circle on the LED screen. The rollers will move up and down a few inches in that selected area. When you want to isolate just one point on your back, select the point option. Hit Menu, select Manual Mode, and go into the Part menu. Select the point option, use the up-down adjust buttons to adjust the roller's location. You can see the location of the rollers by looking at the green circle on the LED screen. You can adjust the width of the massage rollers by selecting the width option. You can choose from wide, medium, and narrow. The width option only works with the tapping, knocking, and shiatsu mode. To adjust the speed of the massage roller, select the speed option. You can choose from 6 levels of speed. You can turn on or off or control the intensity of the foot rollers by selecting the roller option. There are 3 levels of intensity to choose from. You can also turn off the foot rollers during a massage program by selecting the off option. To access the 3D automatic programs, select the menu button. Use the direction dial to select the 3D massage and press OK to select it. In the 3D massage menu, there are 3 submenus: Mode, Force, and Part. The Relax to Zero comes with 3 3D automatic massage programs. You'll find this in the Mode menu. You can choose from Deep Shiatsu, Breathe, and Revive. For this example, we'll choose Revive. When you are in any of the 3D automatic massage programs, you can use the Part option to control the location of the massage rollers on your back. There are 3 options: whole, partial, and point. When you select a massage mode, the default option is whole. When you want to focus on an area on your back, you can switch to the partial mode. Select the partial option. Use the up-down adjust buttons to adjust the roller's location. You can see the location of the rollers by looking at the green circle on the LED screen. The rollers will move up and down a few inches in that selected area. When you want to isolate just one point on your back, select the point option. Use the up-down adjust buttons to adjust the roller's location. You can see the location of the rollers by looking at the green circle on the LED screen. In the Force menu, you can control the strength of the 3D rollers when you are in any of the regular automatic massage modes or in a manual massage mode. You can choose from 5 levels of force. The 3D button is also a shortcut to adjust the strength or force of the 3D rollers. Again, you can choose from 5 levels of force, and you can see the levels of force changing in the 3D icon. The twist option controls the airbags located underneath the seat and along the thighs. Press the menu button. Scroll down to the twist option and select twist. you can choose from 3 levels of intensity. You can also turn off the twist option at any time during one of the massage programs. During any of the massage programs, if you would like to turn the tapping option off but keep the rest of the program going, you can use the tapping off function. Press the menu button, scroll down to tapping off, and select it. Here, you can turn the tapping on or off. The Airbag massage mode can be used on its own or with your customized massage mode. For full body compression therapy, you can select the Airbag option in the menu. Hit Menu and scroll down to Airbag. The Airbag menu has 2 submenus, Part and Force. Select Part to isolate the airbags to a desired body part. You can select from full, arms and shoulders, neck and waist, legs and feet, or buttocks. To adjust the intensity of the airbags, select the Force menu. There are 5 levels of force to choose from. You can also turn off the airbags during a massage program by selecting the Off option. For heat therapy, you can turn on and off the heat by pressing the menu button and scrolling down to the heat option. Here, you can turn the heat on or off. The red heat icon will appear on the screen to indicate that the heater is on. The Relax to Zero comes with 2 zero gravity positions. Press the menu button, scroll down to zero gravity and hit OK. In the zero gravity menu, use the direction dial to select the zero gravity position of your choice. Press the menu button and scroll down to Settings. In the Settings menu, you can set the length of time for each massage, the language on the display, and Bluetooth functions. To adjust the length of time of each massage, select the Time option. You can set your massage to 10, 20, or 30 minutes. To change the display language of the remote, select the Language option. Here, you can choose your desired language choice. To connect a Bluetooth device to the chair, like a phone or tablet, or to use the music sync options, or to play music during your massage, select the Bluetooth option. Here, you can turn on and off the Bluetooth receiver. For any massage mode, including the automatic programs, you can adjust the position of the backrest, footrest, and foot extension. You also have the option of using the chair as a recliner. All the chair adjustment buttons are located on the bottom of the controller. The feet adjust buttons adjust the height of the footrest. While the back adjust buttons adjust the position of the backrest. The foot extension buttons slide the footrest in and out up to 5.5 inches to adjust the chair for users of any height. Unlike most massage chairs, all of our Daiwa chairs are programmed to stay in the reclined position after your massage is completed. We programmed our chairs this way because we want our customers to have the option of falling asleep after a massage. When your massage is completed, the remote will reset. Press the power button after the remote is done resetting to make any chair adjustment. You can adjust the position of the chair by pressing the chair adjustment buttons to your desired position. You can also return the chair to the sitting position by pressing the power button. We hope you enjoy your Relax Zero 3D for many massages to come.